Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set up face unlock on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to set up your face unlock, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings app, just open it. In settings just look for password and security options. Here's that, and here the face icon is small, just tap on it to open it. And here just look for face, here's that, just select it. Here must just enter your phone password, and after that just tap on start enrollment and your face will be added. Just tap on it and put your full face here. As you can see, I have done it. Now tap on OK, and that's how you can easily set up your face unlock. If you want to set up your face to unlock your lock screen, so you just have to enable these settings, and after that you will be ready and you are successfully set up your face unlock. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.